Hey folks, Lance Cunningham. Are you aware that over 1 million people have filed for bankruptcy this year alone? If you're out of bankruptcy and want to restart your credit, we can help right now. Call the number on the screen or contact us at lcford.com. What happens next? Trades! Escape, Limited, Leather Sunroof, 16.9, Super Duty, Lariat, 4x4 Diesel, 27.9, Dodge Ram, 4x4, Leather Sunroof, 24.8, Highlander Sport, Sunroof, 24.8. Check out the whole lineup. It's the final call on 2010s and trucks. We make it easy. Regular cabs, $6,000 cash back. Super cabs, $7,500 cash back. And Super Cruise, we've got them. $8,500 minimum cash back. Now come on down and pick your truck. What happens next? Trades! Mustang GT, go Vols! With navigation, 17.8, Honda Civic Sport, 10.8, Mitsubishi Lancer with sunroof, 15.4, Mazda 6 Sport, leather, sunroof, just 14.9. Check out the whole lineup.